Hey everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we're going to be discussing why the quality of your sublimation ink actually matters. But first of all, why am I even doing this? Why do I even care to take my time and warn you guys about wasting your money on cheap ink? Let me tell you my story. Okay, so we went out and we bought this, $300 printer during the pandemic, when they were very hard to find. I found a printer a little bit away from our house. I had Walt grab it for me one day. I was so excited. I turned it into a sublimation printer. Everything was great. I'm making t-shirts. I'm selling them. I'm living the high life, right? I'm balling. Okay, not really. But I was able to start dabbling in the sublimation and make a few shirts and learn a lot, post a couple videos for you guys. And you guys teach me stuff. I'm teaching you stuff. I'm living a good life right now, right? Then, all of a sudden, I get all these orders for shirts, and my freaking printer dies. I can't say it dies, but, I had this thing for 3 months. I don't even want to say what brand it was. I don't want to say where I got it from. I'm just going to say I had the freaking $300 printer for 3 months, and the dang printer head clogged. And I was freaking out because, one, it is so hard to find a printer right now still. Two, they're so expensive, and I can't afford to be spending $300 every couple of months to make $10 in profit on t-shirts every month. It's just, the numbers just aren't there. And then I'm wasting all this ink by filling it up, and that costs money, and it's just a money pit for something that is supposed to be a fun hobby is now draining us. So I had to learn from this. You got to spend money to make money, right? So we're going to fast forward a little bit. We bit the bullet. We had to go out and get another printer. We didn't really have time to sit there and play around with the other one. I had a lady waiting for a big order on t-shirts, and I had to get it done. I couldn't keep asking, other people to print out my pictures for me. I didn't have time to order them and then have somebody send them to me. Plus, this is what I do. I make shirts now. Like, this is my thing. So we went out. We got a pretty expensive printer. It's just so we could keep this little fun, I don't want to call it a business, but this little hobby going. And I'll tell you what, it honestly taught me so much. It taught me about the quality of ink being number one. Your quality of ink matters so much. When I first started out, I just bought whatever was on Amazon. Whatever Amazon popped up first, I was like, oh, this is sublimation ink. Let me just buy this. Okay, yeah, that's all wonderful, but it clogged my freaking printer. Anytime you're using non-stock ink or whatever, anytime you're not using the ink that is provided by the company that makes the printer, you're probably going to have a problem. That's exactly what happened to us. We had the problem. Our printer head got clogged. I had a lady actually waiting for a couple shirts. I was kind of stuck. This time, what I did is I put on 5-star reviews. I only was going to entertain 4-star reviews and up. We decided to trash all the ink in the old printer and just start new because we didn't know if that was the issue. We tried a different brand. We actually went and got this cleaner. Now this happened totally on accident. So we ordered this ink and this cleaner. And if you notice, the brand is the same. Hiipoo, I guess is how you say it. I'm going to call it hiipoo. I've heard it labeled different ways. Some people say hippo, some people say hiipoo, I don't know, whatever. I'm going to call it hiipoo. So we got this cleaner here, this print head cleaning solution. Now, nothing else is working. We tried to do like the distilled water. We tried to just, I don't know what he did. Actually, Walt's the one that was working on it for me. But we ended up using this. We did it once. Honestly, did not work. We were getting a little ticked off. And like I said, he went and he got me the other printer, but we're like, we still need to try to fix this one. It's only 3 months old. So we actually had to let this sit for, I want to say, an hour. And by the grace of the good Lord, that stuff, we actually got to see, we were pushing it. They give you like the little syringe and the little cleaning tube. And we just, pushed it through. And I don't know how he did it, but he was amazing. And he fixed it. Well, it fixed my printer, guys, my little printer, as I'll call it. Unfortunately, I backed it up and got some ink in here, so this is actually trashed now. But this actually worked. This helped clean out the print head. It pushed out whatever the clog was from the other ink, and it was amazing. Then So we got like the same brand. I thought it was so weird because it was actually done on accident. So this came in. So I can't rave enough about, you know, the cleaner that actually saved my old printer. I just have to refill it with new ink, and I'm probably either going to try to sell it or just save it as like a backup. Not really sure what we're going to do with it yet. But again, like this little bottle saved us $300, you know, instead of buying another of that same printer. All right, so I'm getting all winded because I'm so excited to tell you about this. So this is the ink that we got, and we put it into our new printer. So far, it has been, I want to say it's been about the same timeline, probably 2.5 months, not yet 3 months that we've had it. It has been working amazing. So the funny part is, so we ordered this, we ordered that. I actually received an email, not related to my Amazon, just related to my YouTube channel. I received an email from this company, this hiipoo company. They sent me an email, and they're like, hey, we noticed you make t-shirt videos. Would you be interested in trying out our ink? And I had to laugh. I was like, are they serious? Because this is my brand, you know? So I actually responded with, hey guys, guess what? I love you. Like, you are, you know, next to Walt. You're next in line. Like, I love your company. You did me a favor. Like, I can't speak highly enough of you. I know this is still in the plastic and you think I'm a liar, but, you know, I have other bottles. This is actually empty. You can't see it. But that's pretty empty. Because this is the stuff in my new printer. I know it's down there. So yeah, guys, I can't speak highly enough about this company. Yes, they sent me their ink. They sent me this, and they asked me to do a review on it. So this is not a paid promotion. They are not paying me to tell you a lie. They are not paying me to tell you, and they're not paying me at all. They sent me the ink. They said, hey, give us a try. If you could, leave us a nice review, you know, just telling us how you really feel. And guys, I'm not the BS type, you know, I'm not a sellout. I'm not going to get paid to lie to people and then have my name against it. I'm telling you my real life story. We use this to actually get the clog out of our little printer. I have been using this ink in my new printer, and it has been a lifesaver. Now, the proof is in the pudding, right? So let me move this out of the way. Dun, 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 dun. And I am going to show you guys something that just proves to you. This shirt was made, I want to say 6 months ago, back with the old printer. And this is a Bella canvas. Hold on, let me show you. This is a Bella canvas, 52% cotton, 48% polyester. And, you know, bleached shirts, they always come out faded. So this was my norm. I was okay with this. This was like, all right, this is what my shirts look like when I first started. This is what my shirts look like. I'm not surprised that it has that faded look. I warn everybody, hey guys, you know, it has that vintage look to it. Don't mind it. It's part of the process because the bleach does fade it a little bit, you know, especially if I'm going to sublimate and then bleach first. But guys, I got this new printer, I got this new ink, and I have the pillows now too. Also, I do have the pillows that go in between the shirts. I'm going to blow your mind. Get ready for this. This is the same exact shirt. No joke, guys. I'm going to do a side-by-side in a second. But just so y'all can see, same exact shirt. Bella canvas. This is a size small. Everything's the same. 52% cotton, 48% polyester, which isn't much. Ooh, boy. Isn't much. I'm going to fold this one in half so we can really do like a side-by-side comparison. And yeah, this is my Handmaid's Tale little image. Alright, so just the lettering alone should show you the difference. This is the ink that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm not going to say the brand or anything, but it is one of like the first ones that pop up. I don't know how many stars it has, but it clogged my printer, y'all. It did. It really did. It clogged up my printer. You know, I was very, very cautious with making sure I turn it off, making sure I'm running, you know, the cleaners, but not too much, because if you do it too much, you can have issues. I almost, you know, had to trash a $300 printer that I had for 3 months, and I couldn't, you know, call the company up and complain, because it's, you know, they'll say, oh, well, you put, you know, illegal ink into it. You're not using our brand, so it's your fault. I get it. Whatever. I take that gamble, you know. Here you go, y'all. This is it. Look at the colors. This is supposed to be the same exact color. This is the same exact image. You can see the difference. You can just see it. Even in the red. This looks kind of like faded pink. This looks more of a maroon. Her skin tone, she's more of a peach here. She's kind of see-through there. Her hat color, everything. Even just the gray part. The lettering is beautiful. Everything. I tried to make this as close as possible to being the same. I really hope you guys can see the quality difference. And just think from a customer perspective. If I'm selling you a t-shirt and I have both of these for sale, same price, same everything, and I send you this one instead of giving you this one, how are you going to feel? So if you're selling your shirts, make sure you're considering how important the quality of your ink is. Because to me, it's a no-brainer. I've seen it firsthand. Hiipoo is the way to go for me. It saved my printer with their cleaning product. And just a heads up, they did not ask me to even mention this. I'm just throwing this in here. All they did was say, here's some ink. Give us a review. Here is my review, guys. I freaking love it. The proof is in the pudding. I can't make this stuff up. I promise you. This is one of the first shirts. You can look up my Macari. It was posted, I don't even know how many months ago. This exact shirt is still Macari. I actually have to pull it down and put this one on there. But this one is on there. This was the shirt that I made. This is the one that I did the other night with my new printer, with my good ink. Highly, highly, highly recommend it, y'all. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. It's not an affiliation link. I'm not getting paid if you click it. Nothing. This is just me giving you my opinion from my experience. And as always, if y'all have any questions, make sure you put them down below. I try to respond probably within an hour. As soon as I see it, I'm responded. So, can't wait to talk to you guys. Good luck. Have fun. Don't get burned. Bye, guys.